Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to display the fishing ships on your map on the VesselFinder application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the settings button at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the filter by vessel type section, go to the sixth option, the fishing ships, and just click to the white circle. And new the fishing ships is displayed on your map. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.